Hello and welcome. Today we will see how to download and install IBM SPSS software for free in your desktop. So in order to get the SPSS software, we need to first go to its official website, IBM SPSS official website, and we will go to the IBM SPSS software website. This is the official website, and from this website we will click on try SPSS statistics for free, and from here we are up to fill up a form. Here you can see business email. If you are a student and have a university email address, please put that email address here, because your university might be paying the paid version of the SPSS. And if you are a regular researcher or doing statistics for your own interest, you can give your own email address here. So I'm giving my email address here, and have to give a password here also. So the password has to be at least 12 digits and have to be strong with mixed with characters. So I'm giving my password. Okay, the password is difficult since it is 12 digit long and have to be mixed with the different digits. Okay, my password is done. Now I will give my names, which is automatically filled up, and I will choose full-time student, and I will choose self. And this thing is optional, job title, so I'll leave it. Agree to be contacted by IBM business partner for special student pricing. I will give it no here, and subscribe to what's new. Okay, I will give it and then next. So after giving next, it will send us a verification code in our email address. So let us go to our email address and see if it has sent us a code. So we can see that it has sent us a code, this one here. We will copy it and paste it right here. After pasting it, we will select submit. So please wait while we create your IBM ID. So it is creating our IBM ID, and we can see that we are in the another website. I will save this thing and get started. Okay, we'll select get started from here, and you can see that we are in a account which is on my name. If you are creating your account, you will be getting yours like this website, and from here we will click download. Once we click download, we will be in this page, and if we scroll down, we can see that it has different versions. So this one is for Windows, download for Windows 64-bit, and this one is for Mac or OS. So since I am using Windows, I will click this one, download Windows 64-bit, and we can see it has started downloading, and the file is 905 MB, so it will take some time to get downloaded. So we will wait until it gets downloaded. So we can see that our SPSS software extension has been downloaded. So if we go to the folder where it has been downloaded, we can see the SPSS icon here. We will double click on it, and it will take some time based on the speed of your desktop or laptop. So it is buffering. So preparing to install. Okay, It is extracting IBM SPSS statistics files. We will wait until it extracts all the files. Okay, preparing to install. Okay, it will take some time. We will wait. So we have another window, IBM SPSS statistics installed shield wizard. Okay, we'll select next. We'll select I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next. Now it will show you where you want to put this software in a specific folder on your own choice. I will leave by default in this path. You can change if you wish to. Click next. Install. So now it will be installed. It will take some time to get installed since it is a heavy software. We will wait. It is taking time, so we will wait until it gets installed. Okay, I can see my IBM SPSS software icon is in my desktop, which means it is installed and taking some time for preparations. It is a heavy software, so it takes time. So I can see the IBM SPSS installation is completed. So now we'll select finish. So you can see it is being installed, and now it is opening its window for us. Since it is a heavy software, it will take some time at first time. It is loading. You can see the SPSS icon here buffering for opening the first window first time. It is taking some time. It is loading. So we can see the version is 31.0.10, which is 49 in brackets. So once it is installed, this kind of window will appear, and you will select login with the IBM ID, since you have fill up a form and created an ID, and this will opt us to input the email address and the password that we have used to create our IBM ID. And once you have given those credentials, then it will be logged in, and you can use the SPSS for free. So I will give my email address here. So once you have given your email address and password, the IBM SPSS will open, and these windows may appear for the first time. You will click OK, and you will just close them, and you can see we have successfully installed the IBM SPSS software, and this is the data view and this is the variable view, and you can see all the functions are available. And if you are not using your university email address that has a paid version of SPSS, it will be in 14-day trials or maybe 30-day trials. And if you have the subscription from the university, then you are getting the all the facilities add-ons for free. So this is how you install the IBM SPSS. Thank you for watching.